Breaking news coming in. Times Now has learned that the Uttarakhand police has now handed over the probe into the death of MBA student to the CBCID. This after contradictory reports emerged over 22-year-old Ranbir Singh's death. For one, the police say Ranbir was an extortionist, though the findings reveal his record was clean. Also, the police earlier said Ranbir made calls to a certain builder in Dehradun, though his phone record shows otherwise. Bhavtosh Singh joins us on the phone line with more details. Bhavtosh, clearly a lot of pressure on the Uttarakhand police, and now the case being handed over to the CBCID.
Yes, Maruk, but the family insists that the probe should have been carried out by the CBI, as they suspect that the CBCID is part of the Uttaranchal police, and the CBCID in Dehradun report to the same SSP whose team even carried out this encounter. So clearly they are not happy with the fact that the CBCID would be carrying out probe in this case. At the same time, the initial post-mortem report has confirmed that there are injury marks on his body. The final post-mortem report is expected to come by tomorrow, but glaring loopholes exist in the police's version of the encounter. The fact remains that his call detail records have clearly established that he reached Dehradun on Thursday morning and that at no point of time he made any call to the builder. At the same time, that the two pistols which have been recovered from his possession have not yet been sent for the ballistic examination, which could have proved that the shots were fired from those pistols. The motorcycle which allegedly belongs to Ranbir has yet not been ascertained or identified as to who owned that motorcycle. At the same time, the two suspected extortionists have also not been identified. Clearly, the family demands a CBI probe, not a probe by the state police, as they suspect that the state police would give a clean chit to the local police which carried out this encounter.
Bhavtosh Singh giving us more details. That brings us to the question we are asking you today. Is Ranbir's encounter death another case of the police trying to cover up its excesses?